A lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. All I want for Christmas.
Oh, God damn it! Fucking bullshit. Fucking whatever the is going on with my fucking face.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. That's in my toes and a thing in my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know.
Really? Yeah. I always blame it, you know. Got more bacteria on this than the loose leaf. Why would we be doing that?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Carving around the Christmas tree on a winter holiday. All because some snotty kid sneezed all over me. Sneezing around the Christmas tree, I'll be sick all winter break. Just in time to go back to school and get sneezed on once again. Feel my scratchy throat and I can't breathe through my nose. Clorox, Lysol, hand sanitizer, why can't you just stop their germs? Coughing around my Christmas tree, Santa bring me Mucinex. Netflix and Kleenex on my couch, missing all the winter fun.
So I just need to say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yes. I don't know if I know what to do. I got a knuckle. I just tried it. Remind me one more time. Merry Christmas! It's gonna just go by side. Okay, Merry Christmas! Is that good? Nope, I'm a liar. Yeah.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. I hate when I sneeze next to thee. If you have a real Christmas tree, it may have sap or some ragweed. Make sure that you wash that fir tree before you put ornaments on thee. Those fake trees may be dusty and have mold, makes you stuffy. A beautiful sight, we're sneezing tonight when you've got those Christmas tree allergies.
This is my impression of when you're waking up in the middle of the night but being caught off guard by a sneeze. Thank you.
Oh my gosh! I almost just died.
Não, mas vamos lá, vou conseguir. Se eu não me engano, gente, eu tirei 10 espirros. Se eu não me engano, eu tirei 10 espirros. Tem que ser paninho aqui, né? Porque se eu não tiver com paninho, suja tudo, né? Olha como é que é. Vamos lá, de novo. Nossa, meu olho. Não tem noção. Mais um. Pronto, eu estou colocando mesmo, ó. Gente, eu acho que já foi, né? A gente tá quase espírito, mas vamos lá, terceiro. Ai, meu Deus, deixa eu arrumar meu pulso aqui. Eu tenho que ganhar esse desafio, porque acho que já foi mais de 10 espirros, né? Vamos lá. Vamos no olho. Ai, quem me pediu esse desafio, gente? Nossa, meu Deus. Pensou bem, hein? Parabéns.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported. Ugh!